So hello students, welcome back to the Smart Box. We were watching our chapter 4 of maths, that is of class 6, that is operation on fractions. Okay, this is a very important chapters and these are very useful in your higher standards also. Today we will be seeing the practice set 9 in this video, and this is the part 1 of our chapter operation on fractions. Okay, let's start. First of all, whatever we have studied in the previous standard, we will be studying it first. Okay, operations on fraction, chapter number 4. Let's divide the apples equally between two children. Okay, there is one boy and there is one girl, one boy over here. Okay, we have to divide some apples in these two children. Okay, there are 6 apples. Okay, and we have to divide it equally between the two children. Okay, so what we will be giving, we will be giving 3 apple to girl and 3 apple to boy. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be dividing 6 apples in 2 children. We will be getting the answer 3. Okay, now if we have 4 apples and there are 2 children, we will be dividing 4 by 2, so we will be getting answer 2. So 2 apples will be given to each children. Now if I have only one apple, and if I am dividing it in between two children, okay, so we will be dividing 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2 is nothing but 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 means half. Okay, so एक एप्पल को हमने क्या किया, दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया, 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में, एंड वी हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द children. So if I have one apple and 2 children, half will be my answer, that is I will be giving half to each of the children. Okay, next is if I have 7 apples and 2 children में divide करना है, so 7 divided by 2 will be 7 upon 2. If I divide 7 upon 2, okay, now how do we divide 7 upon 2? We do it like this. Okay, 2 3s will be 6. Okay, then 1, then we will be putting a 0 over here. Okay, 0 क्यों, क्योंकि अब 2 के टेबल में 1 तो जाता नहीं है, so we will be putting 0, and then whenever we put 0 we get a point over here. Okay, so we are doing something that is very new to us. Okay, so we will be putting a point over here, and now this becomes 10. अब 2 के टेबल में 10 जाता है, yes, 5s are 10, so this will be getting our answer as 3.5. So 3.5 means what? 3 and half. So 3 apples and a half apple, 3 apple and a half apple, and then our work is totally done. Okay, this is what we have studied in previous chapters also. Now the main thing in this chapter is conversion of an improper fraction into mixed fraction. What is an improper fraction? First of all, improper fraction means जिसका numerator is big and denominator is small. Always remember, whichever fraction which is having a greater numerator and a smaller denominator, then it is known as improper fraction. Now we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now mixed fraction is what? Nothing but 3 numbers. Okay, एक नंबर बीच में होता है and 2 numbers are in fraction in numerator and denominator form. Okay, so how do we convert this 7 upon 2 into this? So first of all we will be dividing. Okay, 2 divided by 7, points वाला अभी नहीं करना है हमें. 2 3s will be 6, our answer will be 1. So all these 3 numbers, this and this, are useful to us. How? We will be writing this number, which is nothing but our quotient. You all can see over here, this is known as quotient. Okay, this is known as remainder, and this is known as what? Divisor. Divisor बोलते हैं इसको. You have to write these things in your book. Whole thing, this whole thing you have to write in your book. Okay, so this is known as your nothing but divisor. Okay, so your formula for mixed fraction is nothing but quotient upon remainder upon divisor. This is your formula. So what is your quotient? Quotient is 3, so we will be writing 3 over here. remainder is 1, so we will be writing 1 over here, and divisor is 2, so we will be writing 2 over here. So this is our mixed fraction for 7 upon 2. Okay, if you haven't understood it, we will be doing the exercise, and in the exercise you will be getting it very clear. Okay, so don't take any tension. Now this was the conversion of an important improper fraction into mixed fraction. Next is conversion of mixed number into improper fraction. Now we have got that this is a mixed number. Okay, now how do we do it? It is very simple. If you follow, this is a very big process, but if I say you, there is a very simple process that you all can follow. You just have to multiply this number with this, that is 5 multiplied by 3, and you have to add this answer. You have to add this answer with this numerator 2, and in denominator, the denominator will be itself. Always the denominator will be denominator itself. Now you have to do is 5 3s is 15, 15 plus 2 upon 5, 15 plus 2 is 17 upon 5. This is your final answer. So see, this is a very big process, but if you follow my rule, it will be a very small process. It will be done in 3 steps. Okay, so I want everybody to do this like this only. I don't want anyone to copy from digest or anywhere else, because they are having a very big solution for that, and this is a very easy method which you all can follow, and this is not at all wrong. Okay, just you have to do is multiply this number with this, and whatever your answer is, you add it with this. Okay, you get the numerator, and denominator will be same as the mixed fraction is having. Okay, now let's take our practice set 9. Okay, in practice set 9, convert into improper fraction is our first question. Okay, convert into improper fraction. So this is our first question. Okay, I'll be writing here 7 2 upon 5. This 7 is written in middle. Okay, now you have to just follow the steps. You have to multiply this number with this. Okay, so क्या होगा ये 7 multiply by 5. Okay, 7 multiply by 5. Then you have to add this. You have to add this with the numerator, and in denominator this number will be itself. तो आगे क्या होगा, 7 5 will be 35 plus 2 upon 5. What is 35 plus 2? 37 upon 5. This is your answer. That is, you have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now let's see the second sum, that is 5 1 upon 6. You will be multiplying this number with this. Okay, 6 5 are 30, adding this answer with numerator, that is 1, and in denominator it will be this itself. 6 5 is 30 plus 1 upon 6. 30 plus 1 is 31 upon 6. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, next one is 4 3 upon 5. Okay, 4 3 upon 4, sorry, 4 4s will be multiplied, then you will add it with the numerator, and then write denominator as it is. This denominator is written as it is. 4 4s will be 16 plus 3 the whole upon 4. 16 plus 3 will be 19 upon 4. Okay, so this will be our third sum. Fourth sum will be 2 5 upon 9. This is getting multiplied with this, 9 multiplied by 2, then adding with this plus 5 the whole upon 9. 9 2s will be 18 plus 5 upon 9. 18 plus 5 is nothing but 23, तो ये हो जाएगा 23 upon 9. Okay, next is fifth sum, 1 5 upon 7. This is getting multiplied with this, 7 multiplied by 1, and then added with 5, and then denominator as it is. 7 ones will be 7. 7 plus 5 upon 7. 7 plus 5 is nothing but 12 upon 7. So this is converted in improper fraction. Okay, so I want everybody's sum to be done like this itself. Okay, this arrow marks and everything you can draw it with pencil. Okay, now next is convert convert into mixed numbers. Okay, so this is also very easy. Okay, we have just saw that how to do it, है ना. यहाँ पर क्या होगा, यहाँ पर जो है सिर्फ क्या करेंगे हम लोग, यहाँ पे हम लोग सिर्फ करेंगे इसको डिवाइड. ओके, हाउ टू डिवाइड, दिस इज 30/7. सो वी विल बी डिवाइडिंग इट. यहाँ पर मैं करके दिखाता हूँ. 7 डिवाइड बाय 30 like this. Denominator is always outside and numerator is always inside. Okay, this you have to remember. Now next step will be what? Next step will be nothing but you have to take that if 30 is coming in 7's table. Okay, so 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28 and 7 5s is 35. So 35 we can't take, but we can take 28, so it is 4s are 28. Okay, so we will subtract it and what we will be getting, we will getting the remainder as 2. Okay, so this is our remainder. Okay, this is our remainder, this is our quotient and this is our divisor. Okay, divisor. Okay, so what was the formula for it? Formula for it was quotient. Quotient is in between, then the remainder is in numerator and the divisor is in denominator. Okay, so what is our quotient? Quotient is our 4, so we will be writing like this: 4, remainder is 2 and divisor is 7. So this is an improper fraction and this is the mixed fraction for it. Okay, so this is how you have to solve it in your book also. Okay, chalo, next one, let's try this second one. Second one is 7/4. Okay, 7/4 will be doing, 4 will be outside, 7 will be inside. Always denominator is outside and numerator is inside. Okay, so 4 1s will be 4 because 4 2s are 8, we can't take it. Okay, so this is our remainder. Okay, this is our quotient and this is our divisor. So again, how we will be writing, we will be writing like this: quotient, remainder and divisor. This is the mixed fraction over here. Okay, now I'll show you one more sum and 3 sums will be your homework that you have to do it by yourself. And if you have any doubt in these sums, you can comment me down. I will explain you all in detail if you have any doubt in these 3 sums, because these 3 sums I have been doing for you all. Let's see the third sum over here. Okay, third sum is nothing but 15 divided by 12. So 12 will be outside, 15 will be inside, 12 ones are 12. Okay, so answer will be 3. So our mixed fraction will be nothing but quotient. Quotient is what? 1. Quotient and remainder. Remainder is 3. Okay, this is 3 and our divisor is 2. So 1 3/2. I'll write it here again: 1 3/12. This is the mixed fraction for 15/12. Okay, so these 3 sums will be your homework. अगर आपको इसमें कुछ भी डाउट है तो आप नीचे कमेंट करके मुझे पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द थर्ड सम. ओके, थर्ड सम इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सम. इसमें ऐसा क्या है जो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है? ओके, आई जस्ट शो यू ऑल कि इसे करते कैसे. नाउ लेट्स फर्स्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन एंड देन वी विल बी गेटिंग के इसमें करना क्या है एक्चुअली. ओके, दिस इज राइट द फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल यूजिंग फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, first is if 9 kg rice is shared amongst 5 people. Okay, so we have just seen in the first example that if 9 kg, if there were 2 apples and 2 children, we are been dividing 2 by 2. Okay, if there are 5 apples and 2 children, 5 apples and 2 children को हम कैसे लिख रहे थे? 5/2 लिख रहे थे, है ना. So there are 9 kg of rice and there are how many people? 5 people. How many kilograms of rice does each person get? Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be just dividing 9 by 5. तो हमको क्या आ जाएगा? आंसर आ जाएगा. So we will be writing the answer like this. I am writing here for you all. If 9 kg of rice is shared among 5 people, then each person will get 9 upon 5 kg of rice. This will be your answer for first one. Now let's see the second question. Second question क्या है? To make 5 shirts of same size. Okay, we have been giving some cloths and हमको क्या बनाना है? हमको बनाना है सेम साइज के शर्ट बनाना है. In 11 meter of cloth is needed. How much cloth is needed for one shirt? Okay, so this is very easy. ये टोटल को हम क्या करेंगे? 5 से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो हमको क्या होगा? आंसर आ जाएगा. But how we will be writing? We will be writing if 11 meter of cloth is needed to make 5 shirts, then one shirt will be of 11 upon 5 meter. Okay, this will be your answer for the second question. Okay, now let's see the fourth. Okay, so this was our last question. Here we will be finishing our practice set 9. Okay, so if you all have any doubt in any of this sum, you all can just comment me down. If you have any doubt, just comment me down. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर ज़रूर करिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग टिल दी एंड. अगर आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आया है, चाहे वो चैप्टर 4 हो, चैप्टर 3 हो, चैप्टर 2 हो, तो हमने सारी चीज़ें जो है एक प्लेलिस्ट बना के रखा है. दैट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द प्लेलिस्ट इज़ 6th स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स. ओके, वो प्लेलिस्ट पर आप जा सकते हैं और आपको हर चीज़ वहाँ पर मिल जाएगी. अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट है तो नीचे कमेंट ज़रूर करिएगा. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक ज़रूर करिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. और जी हाँ, अगर आप एक न्यू व्यूअर हैं तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द स्मार्ट बॉक्स.